Good morning, guys. Today is Monday, May 4th, 2020.
The Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one and indivisible.
The days of the week: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Today is Monday, May 4th, 2020. Yesterday was Sunday, and tomorrow will be Tuesday. Remember, the month of the year is May, and next month will be June. May 4th, 2020.
So for today's morning workout, you'll find a video named Go Noodle, and you could use that as your daily exercise video. Remember to be active at least 30 minutes a day.
For today's agenda, we are going to be working on math. Don't forget all your other lessons as well. So how are you feeling today? Mad, happy, relaxed, or sad? I am feeling happy. Happy because it's a new week. Let's get started.